the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more.
What do you tween?
Doesn't.
What do you tween? You gotta...
Shut the fuck up. I hope you're ready to get crucified on the internet.
Get it away from me.
It's 90 degrees out right now and he's wearing a sweatshirt.
Are we ready?
Yeah, I guess.
We're coming, Mitch. We're coming. Oh my god!
What?
What's that?
What? Oh, rot.
You have more rot than I do, my god. I got a 240. So, Mr. The Tween. Where we going?
What did I say about the fucking noise? Well, my fucking eye's red as shit. So
I asked where we're going. Now, what's wrong with you?
We're on our way to Angel's fucking barbecue right now.
Angel drives the Evo. It's pretty rad. It's got a big wing.
Some of you probably remember him from my video picking up an LS2.
I'm gonna show you my pullout game. It's fucking atrocious. Take some notes.
It was his girlfriend's birthday yesterday, so we're gonna go to his barbecue and hopefully see some Burnouts. We see some Burnouts.
Did we find it yet? Did we? Oh, Jesus.
Whoa, 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 relax!
You're 90 on the highway?
No.
Come on, Anton, get it. Get it.
No.
Record me. Dude, I'm in all your videos. Whether I want to be or not.
Fucking run better than any other fucking
Yo, my bike's making 660 wheel.
Wants to hear Gabe's car. You want to hear Gabe's car?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yo, I got him.
Here's your receipt, sir. You gonna pay me my much money?
These beers are gross.
What?
These beers are gross. Hey, Mom.
You wanted them.
Yeah, but I thought they were gonna be good. Yo, Mitch's car is now. Let me go.
What are you doing?
Oh my god. Isn't that old brake dust?
That's a dick.
That's all brake dust?
Yeah.
I thought they were bronze wheels. Straight pipe time.
He's pooping. He's pooping. Oh, it sounds awful.
Says the one who has a straight pipe also.
Yo, nobody in that party is doing loud.
I would say it's about 200. Like it's not overheating, but it's still hot. Overheating for this car is like 220. Once it's cruising, it cruises at 180, which is operating temperature and shit. But this is the first time it's ever happened.
How many pounds of boost? I mean,
15.
15?
15.
15.
Get my nose. Give
No,
it.
that's funny. Oh, dude, it's boosted.
Have you ever heard this thing?
Can we hear it later?
You hear it now.
You
Oh, my beer. My beer.
Wait.
Just fly past.
Is this a good idea?
No.
No, hit two-step.
Not good? Not a good idea.
Why? Just fly past?
Because then you can see the fire. I have a video. You want to see the video?
No, I know, but like just flying past real quick. I don't think it'd be
Oh,
that
it doesn't fly, man. I'm still breaking in the clutch. But no, two-step. But I had to do
Okay.
pop flames.
So now you have no choice.
We'll do it later so we don't piss anybody off.
On mine?
Touch my penis. Hands on.
I'll touch you guys. Good.
Nah, we're good. What's up?
Loses to a turbo Volvo.
Whoa. Whoa. Don't get me started with this car. You already blew that turbo. Shit's blown up already. My guy, that turbo, his turbos last like a week. Oh my god.
What was eBay?
He had a fucking hole set or some shit, some diesel turbo. He was like, yo, look how big my turbo is. It was the exhaust housing. He was showing exhaust to exhaust, and I flipped around, it was the exact same size. To the T.
Oh, the internals? Like the
front, the cold side? Yeah. I don't know. Alright, ready? Hold on.
Yeah, but like he's complaining about your car.
Wait a second.
And he fits in this fucking
They
thing.
go into a Miata? They're just really low.
Well,
The-
6'2", 330 pounds.
The term fit was a little.
Like, I get in.
Hey.
I can't even steer because like my junk is like on his steering wheel. I'm like, dude, this is the worst car I've ever fucking got in. So try to get my car running so I can drive.
When I get out of this car, boy, when I get out of this car, if I get out. Wait.
It's an innovative motion.
Hold up.
Be humble, yo.
Be
humble. Oh, Jesus.
You have to like stumble out.
Just put in comparison. Yeah. Stay next to Anton. So like, I'm like 6 of him.
Hey, how you?
Gabe.
Oh, what?
Us.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Oh, that was.
How you doing, man?
What's up, man? Nick.
You got fucking brake dust on your face.
Dumbass motherfucker.
The gang's all here.
I have the lightest.
The gang's all here.
Yo, Angel.
Oh my god! Oh! Yo!
Let me just rub it in.
Oh my god!
Why am I doing the edit? No.
Do it. Nick, do it.
It's like it's like a whole thing.
Do it!
Oh wow! Yo, that's the capture right there. We're gonna put memes all over that.
Yeah, I got to the car. No, look, you got
Oh, what the fuck? I missed it.
You guys are sick.
Nah, amazing.
That was a real deal.
Hey!
Holy Jesus.
It's kind of cool.
Oh,
Get it! Get it!
hey, look. That's how he kills it. It's a lucky girl. Why do you make this all look bad? Come on.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Blow your candles!
Boom!